Hello YouTube. In this video I will explain how to create different kind of mesh in different parts of a part. Okay. For example, this is a solid cuboid. You can see that in this region, in this whole region, the elements are hex. Okay, and in this region, means in the right side region, the elements are tetrahedron. Alright, in a similar manner there is one more part I have, that is a cell wall. Okay, here also you can see that this face has triangular mesh, and except this face other has rectangular mesh. Okay, so let me demonstrate how this the different mesh in different parts are created, right? Okay, so let's do it. We have these two parts, cell wall and other one is cuboid. So first we will look at the cell wall. Okay, so let's mesh it, and we will go to mesh module directly, and we have cell wall in our viewport. Okay, so to let's say this face we want to mesh with triangular elements. Okay, and other faces needs to be meshed with rectangular elements. Okay, so let me demonstrate how to do this. Okay, let's go to mesh and control. Now here you will see the meshes that select the region to be assigned mesh control. Okay, I will select this face and click done. Now there are three options for cell wall or cell faces, cell elements: quad dominated, and triangular. So these two are quad and quad dominated are basically rectangular elements. Okay, and the last one is, which is triangular element, which is tri, denoted as tri, is triangular element. So I want to mesh this face with tri elements, so I will select or check this tri and click OK. Okay, and then again it is asking that select the region to be assigned mesh control. That means it is continuing the process. Now you can select these three faces and click done. Come here and click quad, click OK, and now there is no faces remain, so you can just cancel it. So now we have just assigned the element types to these four faces. This face has triangular elements and these three faces have rectangular elements. Okay, let's mesh it and it will show up. So let's first go to seed part, and the usual way we mesh it, that we first seed and then mesh. Okay, so we will seed first. So I am keeping the default values. Click OK, and then go to mesh and part. Okay, to mesh the part. Okay, now click yes. Here you see that this face has triangular elements and other three faces have rectangular elements. Okay, so this is how we mesh the cell parts. Okay, or cell wall or cell elements. Okay, in the next section I will demonstrate how to mesh different parts of a cuboid with different mesh. Now we will mesh the solid cuboid. Okay, so I made this cuboid and I have created two partition of it. Okay, this is left one, this is right one. Okay, so this is needed when you want to create different mesh in different parts. So you need to create partitions. Okay, so I have done it. So let's go to mesh module and try to mesh this cuboid. So in a very similar manner as previous, we will go to mesh and control, select the region to assign mesh control. I will select this one, the yellow region, click done, and I will give it to tetrahedral. Okay, so that is what tetrahedral. So I will click OK. Now this region has been assigned with tetrahedron elements, and now I will click on it. Now I will click on right side and click done, and just quickly I will select, or wedges are hex dominated. Okay, let's click on hex dominated. It shows some masses, but click on dismiss, click OK, and now it is green. Okay, so we have just assigned these two parts with different elements. Now we are done, so click this cross here to cancel the operation, and now we will go to seed and click on part, click done with the default values. If you want to change, you can change. And now go to mesh and click part and click OK. Click OK to mesh the part. Here we go. Now we have just meshed these two parts of the same cuboid with different type of mesh. Okay, so this is how we mesh different regions of a part with different elements or different mesh. Okay, so this is it. Thanks for watching.